Hi there, students. A delegate, noun. To delegate, a verb. Delegate, noun. To delegate, a verb. Okay, if you delegate responsibility, you delegate duties, you give somebody the responsibility to do that thing. You give them the power so that they can act on your behalf. So a good manager and a good leader delegates. They give the responsibility for different things to each different person. And like that, the whole thing gets done. A bad manager is somebody who tries to micromanage each thing that everybody does. And then, well, it's normally a bit of a disaster. So to delegate responsibility, to give a particular job, a duty to somebody else so that they do it for you. As a boss, you have to delegate. Yeah, all of the political decisions in this country, in this company, have been delegated to a particular committee. So to delegate, to choose to elect somebody to speak for you, to vote for you, to vote for a group, especially at a meeting. So a delegate is a representative. Yeah, a person chosen to speak, to act, to make decisions for a group of people at a meeting. Yeah, so a delegate has power. A delegate has power delegated in them. Yeah, this has got the idea of to entrust a responsibility to somebody, typically somebody who is less senior than you are. Yeah, so the boss delegates the responsibility of marketing to this person, and he delegates the responsibility of finance to that person. Yeah, and then these people probably sub-delegate different responsibilities. So a delegate, a representative at a conference, at a convention, yeah, a representative in a place, and then to delegate, to give authority to somebody else, to delegate a task, to choose somebody as your representative. Okay, so you delegate duties, responsibilities, power to somebody else so that they can act for you. Yeah, because in life there are many. You can't very often do everything at the same time, so you need to delegate, to hand over different responsibilities to different people. If you're delegated to do something in the passive, then you've been given the responsibility to do something, to make the decisions, yeah, in some area, in some piece of work. Yeah, to appoint somebody, you are delegated, you're selected to do this. You've been delegated to do the washing up. You've been chosen to do the washing up. Okay, so a delegate, a person authorized to act as a representative, to delegate, to authorize a person to act for you, to give a task or a responsibility to somebody else so that they can make the decisions. You assign responsibility to something. You designate the responsibility for something. Yeah, you delegate to them. Yeah, so they are then your delegate, your representative, your agent, your deputy, your proxy. Yeah, because you've entrusted, you've delegated, you've handed over, you've assigned responsibility for this, you've appointed them, you've delegated this to them, you've selected them as your representative. Yeah, So is there anything that can't be delegated? Yes, there are definitely things that you can't delegate. You can't delegate somebody to go to the toilet for you, for example, although it might be quite nice. Okay, so to delegate, a delegate, formality. I think I'm going to give to delegate a 6.5 in formality. I think I would use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And a delegate, yeah, I think 6.5 informality. I think I might use to ask somebody to do something, or a representative informally. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from Latin delegatus, yeah, from de lego, to send on a commission, yeah. um, Day and Lego send. So to send of some duty. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To delegate, a delegate.